guys, welcome back to my channel, just Isabella. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe down below. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate all of you. I go on Facebook, I see Fenty X Savage. When I'm here on YouTube, I see Fenty X Savage. When I'm on Instagram, I see Fenty X Savage. So I'm thinking maybe this is a sign from God that I probably need to do a Fenty X Savage haul, okay? So I went ahead and picked up some cute, sexy, okay, lingeries from Fenty. Anyway, it came in this box, okay, this pastel pink box, which I'm impressed by because the box looks really solid. I'm very impressed, okay, I'm very impressed. And inside of it is like a pastel purple color, which is also one of my favorite colors, by the way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box, okay? Everything is still sealed because I haven't taken them out individually, so I'm gonna do that here, so you know we get like a real first impression, okay, of how I really feel. Enough of the talking. I know I talk too much, but I enjoy talking to you guys, okay? If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Click on that subscription button and that notification bell. You see that little bell there? Click on the bell, okay? So every time I post a video, you will be notified so you can come here and watch that video. Okay, so this is everything I got. It was nicely packaged. I think just me looking for certain things just made it like this, but this is amazing, okay? It was nicely packaged. It is very beautiful, and I got the extra VIP membership, okay? And this comes with like some discounts and also some nice packs, I guess. So yeah, extra VIP membership. Okay, this is a diary. It says Savage Fenty. It is a diary. It says I will not kiss, Savage X Fenty, Savage X Fenty. Okay, this is beautiful. I will be writing some secrets, okay? I'll be writing some secrets in. Nobody keeps a diary these days anyway, like I know I don't. I'm just playing. No secrets to be written down, you know. I'm an open book, which you see is what you get. No secrets. All my secrets are right here. So I will be like, this is beautiful, it's just nice, and it's a nice touch, okay, that they added this. I love it. I love the color. I'm impressed. I love it. Looks solid. The first item I'm gonna show you guys is this bralette, okay? I love this bralette. Like, look at the color. The color is beautiful. I'm really obsessed with it. I just, you know, it's like, I love it. I love the blue color. Again, blue is not a color that I will usually go for, but this looks great. Like, imagine this against my skin tone. Like, this will be amazing. Like, wow. This is amazing, okay? I love it. It's very well made. It is well made, I'm not gonna lie. And it comes with this to match, okay? And look at that. If you have this on and put it on rightly, like this will be so gorgeous, okay? I can just imagine myself wearing this, and I'm already, like, I'm in love, okay? These two are one of my favorites, okay? I saw it on the model. It looks great on the model, and I was like, I had to get this, okay? So I love it. No complaints about that one. Next one will be this gray one. Like, this looks really great, okay? Look at that. I love the color. Again, imagine wearing this. I can picture myself wearing this with like a sheer top and then this underneath, and then you can see it, okay, from under. Like, you can see like a see-through type of top, and then you can see this underneath. I feel like it will be great. Just look at that. Like, this is nice, okay? Again, this to match, and it's just a little detailing for me. Look at this. Look at this. Like, this is gorgeous. Rihanna, oh my goodness. where have I been all this while? Like, I have always wanted to order some Fenty, but I just been like, not now. I don't need it, but I'm sold, okay? And no complaints whatsoever. Like, this is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, guys, next item I'm gonna show you guys is this right here, okay? So this has straps, but it's also a strapless bra, okay? You can take these off if you don't want to wear it as a regular bra. And I feel like just with this, it is well made, and it looks like that kind of like that strapless bra is gonna lift everything up, that it's not gonna be moving. Do you know how, like, ladies, you guys can attest to, like, when you have a strapless bra on, the most frustrating thing that can ever happen is you having to adjust it every minute. Like, that just it is really irritating. So just have this looks like it will be so firm and it's not gonna keep moving or whatever. I love it. Okay, so this, I just got this on its own. Yeah. Now, next one, this right here. Okay. Look at this, like the pink. Oh my god, this looks great. And just, again, it's the details for me. Like I keep saying, it's the details for me. Look at that. This will be so sexy on. This will be so gorgeous. Like, I just can't wait to put them on. Like, I just can't wait. And that came with this right here, okay? I know this looks kind of regular, but look at that on the back, okay? Look again, look at the detailing. It has this X, you know, the logo, the Fenty logo on it. I feel like this will be so nice on. This will be so nice. Okay, so next item, right? So the next item is, I'll show you guys this one first. This right here, guys, like, how gorgeous is this? I like the embroidery, okay, on it. Like, it's sheer, the embroidery, but I feel like this will be so cute, and this will lift up your goals beautifully, okay? This will definitely lift up your goals beautifully. Ooh. Wow, this looks really nice, and it comes with, for like easy access, okay, easy access, but it's so sexy, so gorgeous. Like, I love it. I'm in love. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like, guys, wow. Comes with this. I just can't wait to try them on. Let me see, what does it even say? What does it say? Wow. Definitely sold. Okay, so last but not the least is next one. This one, okay? This is just like, I feel like I will wear this when I'm in the house, you know, lounging, just trying to relax. I could wear this, okay? It says, the waistband says Fenty X Savage, which is cute. I don't have any grey underwears. Maybe I do, but I don't know. Who cares? I don't care. Like, maybe I do, maybe I don't have any grey underwears. Maybe I do. I don't know. But yeah, I love it. And that comes with this, okay? Guys, how cute is this? This will be amazing on. Okay, so I'm now gonna like try some things on. Let's see, okay? If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Like I said earlier on, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Choose over, guys. Love you all. Bye bye. Bye.